Learning English and Luganda story.
Good morning, class. Let us begin. Our village is very beautiful. Today we are going to talk about bring, okuleta in Luganda. Tom, you say a sentence in English and Lisa answers in Luganda.
Bring your pen. Leta babairoyo.
Bring your pen. In Luganda, that is leta bairoyo. Now, make sure to practice.
Bring your phone. I did not bring it today.
Leta esimu yo.
What about bring the food?
Bring the food means leta emere in Luganda. So that is bring in English and Luganda. Thanks for attending class. See you tomorrow.